Hi friends, today for math we're going to continue talking about fact families. And I thought what better way to learn about fact families than to include my family. So I hope you enjoy this video, and first up is one of my sisters, Haley.
Hi friends, I'm Haley and I have a word problem for you. Are you ready for it? Okay. There were 17 birds sitting in a tree. 9 flew away. How many birds are left in the tree? There were 17 birds in a tree. 9 flew away. How many are left in the tree?
All right, let's get started on solving this problem. Before we can start, we need to figure out what it's asking us. Is this going to be a subtraction or an addition problem? Yeah, so if we had birds on the tree and some of them went away, then we want to know how many are left. If some of them went away, then that means that we're doing subtraction. So what we can start to do here is draw 17 circles. Make sure you use your 10 groups. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's our total, 17, because 17 birds were up in the tree. And then 9 flew away. So should we add 9 more, or should we cross out 9? Good, we should cross out 9. So I'm going to start by crossing these ones out. And since I know the number is 17, I know that there's 7 here. So 7, 8, 9. How many are left? Well, we have 5, 6, 7, 8 left. And now we need to work on our fact family. So let's start by writing a number sentence that matches our picture. What was our total? 17. Good. Remember that your total always goes in front of that minus sign for subtraction. Minus, how many did we cross out? Good. 9. And how many were left over? 8. Nice job. Now we want to stay with subtraction for this one and give it the old switcheroo. So we can never switch a buddy spot with a total spot, but we can switch two buddy spots. So we know 17 is our total and 9 and 8 are our buddies. How can we give this number sentence here the old switcheroo? So instead of 17 minus 9 equals 8, we would put 17 minus 8 equals 9. Remember, when we're doing fact families, we want to make sure that we're always using the same 3 numbers for all of them. And we should have 2 addition and 2 subtraction sentences. That being said, we have 2 subtractions. Can you tell me one addition sentence that we could write here? Good. Remember, we always add our buddies for addition, and our total is all alone on the side of the equal sign. Good. So let's start with 9 plus 8 equals how much? We don't even have to solve it because we know for a fact family we're using the same 3 numbers. So we use 9 and 8. Which number's left over? 17. Good job. And now for our last number sentence here, let's give this one the old switcheroo. Instead of 9 plus 8 equals 17, what will we have? 8 plus 9 equals 17. Woohoo! You solved the problem and wrote all of the fact families. Nice work. Here's another word problem from my niece Charlotte. All right, friends, so Charlotte told us that she was riding her bike for 10 minutes. And she had 7 more minutes to ride her bike until she went inside. How long does she have to ride her bike altogether? So, let's start out by writing what we know for our number sentence. So we know that she started out riding for 10 minutes. And then she knew that she could ride 7 more minutes. She wants to know how much time she can spend riding her bike in all, or all together. So we know that we have our 2 parts, the 10 minutes she already rode her bike for, and the 7 minutes more that she can ride her bike for. We're still missing our total though. So to solve this, let's put the bigger number in our head and count up the rest. So let's put 10 in our head and count 7 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. But for this week, we're practicing writing our fact families. So to make fact families, we need 4 number sentences. 2 of the number sentences are addition, and 2 of the number sentences are subtraction. So we already have 1 addition sentence. Let's write the second one by giving this the good old switcheroo. If we gave this a switcheroo, what would our new number sentence be? Good. If we gave our add-ons, or our 2 buddies, the old switcheroo, instead of 10 plus 7, we would have 7 plus 10. And does the total change or does it stay the same? Good, the total stays the same because we know another thing about fact families is that they have to use the same 3 numbers. Now let's move on to writing our 2 subtraction sentences. When we write subtraction sentences, we always make sure that we put the total in front of our minus sign. So, what's our total here? 7, 10, or 17? Good, our total is the biggest number. So we're going to start with 17. We're going to put it in front of that minus sign. Now for this one, you can choose either buddy to use. So let's start by using 10. So we have 17 minus 10 equals, do I have to figure out what this equals or do I already know the answer? Good, I already know the answer because here it is. We know that our number sentence has to use 10, 7, and 17 because it's in the same fact family. So we have 17 minus 10 equals 7. Now be careful when you give it the old switcheroo because for subtraction, we want to make sure that we are never switching the total with the buddy spot. We're always making sure that if we're giving something a switcheroo, we're only ever switching a buddy with a buddy, or another way to say it is a part with a part. So we are going to keep our total in the same spot right there in front of the minus sign and give the old switcheroo to our 2 buddies. So instead of 17 minus 10 equals 7, we're going to say 17 minus 7 equals 10. All right, friends, here's your task for today. You're going to listen to the word problem that my sister Andrea is about to share with you. After you listen to it, your task is to write the fact family that matches her word problem. Good luck. I'll see you soon.
Hey kiddos, this is Ange, and I'm here to help you count today. Ready? So there's one little lion sitting on the bed. And he's a little cold, so he invited one of his friends to come over. Comes Mr. Elephant. Oh, thank you, Mr. Elephant. Keep me warm. Oh, no, now the other side is gone. Let's add another one. Uh-oh. Now the other friends want to join. Oh, we started with 1, and we added 4 friends. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1 makes 5. Good job, kids. Have a great night.